Hey friends, on today's quick video, we are going to be adding some windshield washer fluid to this Ram 1500. Now this is a 2017 version of the truck, but it's gonna work for most models in this model range. It's a super simple process. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. Let's do it. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is open up the passenger door. We're gonna need to pop the hood. That's where the reservoir is located for our washer fluid. Now you'll find the little pull lever for the hood right here underneath your steering column. And as you can see, what that does is it lifts the hood up just slightly so we can get our fingers underneath here. There's a little lever you push that's just here in the center. I'm gonna push that with my thumb to the right, and that is gonna release the hood. We're just gonna move that into the up position. And now we're ready to go over here to the right side of our compartment. And you're gonna be looking for this little symbol, and that is our windshield wiper reservoir. So again, what we can do is just come in here, we'll pop it open and take a little peek inside. As you can see, the fluid is a little bit low, so we're ready to fill this up and make sure we have enough here in the winter season as the roads are getting more and more dirty. Super important to have this available on your drive to keep that windshield nice and clear. Now there are two things obviously you need. First, I'm gonna highly recommend a funnel system. You can purchase these on Amazon. I'll put some links in the description box below. They store really nicely together and again, give you options for your different fluids. What we can do today is choose the big red here. That'll fit nicely down into that slot. And again, that prevents a lot of splash over, spill back, those kind of things. Second thing we're obviously going to need is some sort of windshield washer fluid. Again, this is a winter formula. It's rated down to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Super important to have this because it doesn't freeze in your lines. If you have regular water, that can freeze in your lines and really do some damage. So again, make sure you're using some sort of formula, especially if you're living in colder environments. We'll take the cap off here. And then basically it's as simple as pouring into your funnel. Again, as you're using a funnel, you want to make sure you're filling it up just enough so it doesn't overflow. We really needed some in our reservoir, as you can see. Okay, it's just now starting to show up at the very bottom of our funnel, which is good. It means it's below this line right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that funnel up, and as you can see, we now have a nice full reservoir. All right, don't forget to put your cap back on, and we are ready to go. Friends, I hope that has helped. Stay tuned, we're actually making a bunch more Ram 1500 videos, super simple little tutorials to keep your vehicle running smooth, everything working great. This has helped. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.